हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपका हमारे चैनल में स्वागत है। इस न्यू वीडियो में हम इंटीजर्स के बारे में डीपली स्टडी करेंगे। इंटीजर्स जो कि नंबर्स का एक बहुत बड़ा कलेक्शन है, जिसके अंदर होल नंबर्स और नेचुरल नंबर्स दोनों शामिल होते हैं। इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल स्टडी मोर अबाउट इंटीजर्स, देयर प्रॉपर्टीज एंड ऑपरेशंस। पहले हम उन टॉपिक्स पे एक रिव्यू करेंगे जो अब तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं। नेचुरल नंबर्स। ऑल द काउंटिंग नंबर्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल नंबर्स, सच एज 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on and goes on infinity. These numbers are denoted by capital letter N. Whole numbers. All the counting numbers starting from 0 are called whole numbers, such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go on and goes to infinity. Integers. If we include negative numbers in the collection of whole numbers, we get integers. Integers do not include decimal numbers such as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go on to infinity, and on the left side -1, -2, -3 and so on. अगर हम होल नंबर्स के कलेक्शन में नेगेटिव नंबर्स को इंक्लूड कर लें तो हमें इंटीजर्स प्राप्त होते हैं। 0 से राइट साइड में हमें पॉजिटिव नंबर्स ऑब्टेन होते हैं और 0 से लेफ्ट साइड जाने पर हमें नेगेटिव नंबर्स ऑब्टेन होते हैं। एक बात ध्यान रखने की है कि जो 0 है, 0 इज नाइदर पॉजिटिव नॉर नेगेटिव। 0 ना तो पॉजिटिव में गिना जाता है ना नेगेटिव में, और इंटीजर्स को हम कैपिटल लेटर Z से डिनोट करते हैं। A number line is a straight line with numbers placed at equal intervals along its length. It can be extended both sides infinitely. नंबर लाइन एक स्ट्रेट लाइन होती है जिसके ऊपर हम नंबर्स को एक इक्वल इंटरवल्स पर शो करते हैं। जीरो से राइट हैंड साइड पे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स होते हैं और 0 से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में नेगेटिव नंबर्स होते हैं। एक बात हमेशा याद रहे कि नेगेटिव नंबर्स और उसमें इंक्लूड कर लिए जाएं होल नंबर्स, तो हमें जो कलेक्शन प्राप्त होता है वो इंटीजर्स होता है। स्टूडेंट्स, इस नंबर लाइन पे हम इंटीजर्स, होल नंबर्स और नेचुरल नंबर्स को समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन, ऑल द काउंटिंग नंबर्स स्टार्ट from 1 is called natural number. So we are seeing that from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on and infinity, these collections are natural numbers, and if we include 0 in the collection of natural number, we get whole number. If someone asks you what is the smallest natural number, you can say 1, and if someone asks you that what is the smallest whole number, you can say 0. All the natural numbers are whole numbers but all the whole numbers are not natural because 0 doesn't come in natural number. And if we include all the negative number along with positive numbers, then we get integers. So we can say that integers are the collection of natural numbers and whole numbers. Now we understand the operations and properties of the integers. Now we study applications of integer. First of all, we study about addition of integers. When we add two integers, we have to observe its sign. Suppose we have two integers and we say them first integer and second integer. Suppose if both first and second integers are positive. If both integers are positive, then integers will be added and sign will be positive. To understand this, we take an example. Suppose the first integer is 7 and second one is 8. So both integers are positive. So when we add them, 7 plus 8, we get 15 and the sign of the sum will be positive. If both integers will be negative, then integers will be added and sign will also be negative. Suppose the first integer is -3 and second integer is -5. Then when we add them, -3 plus -5, then -3 and -5, the sum will be 8 and sign will be negative. Students, always remember that if the positive sign is given before the brackets, then the sign of the number inside the brackets will not be changed. But if the minus sign is given before the brackets, then the sign of the number inside the bracket must be changed. So we have plus sign before brackets, so the sign of 5 will not be changed. It will remain negative. So the sum -3 and -5 will be 8. If first integer is positive and second is negative, then integers will be subtracted and sign will be of greater integer. Suppose the first integer is 9 and second integer is -6, and when we add them, 9 plus -6, then we get 9 minus 6 and the sum will be 3, and the greater integer is positive, so the sign of sum will be positive. And if first integer is negative and second is positive, then the operation will be same as above. Suppose first integer is -11 and second is +7, then the sum will be -11 plus 7. The result will be -4. Here the greater integer is in minus, so the sum will be negative, minus. Now we go on subtraction of integer. I have told you earlier that if the minus sign is given before the brackets, then the sign of the number inside the bracket must be changed. If both integers are positive, then numbers will be subtracted and sign will be of greater integer. For example, suppose the first integer is 18 and second is 11. When we subtract 11 from 18, then 18 and minus 11. 18 minus 11 and the subtraction will be 7. And the sign of greater integer is positive, so the subtraction will also be positive. If both integers are negative, then the operation will be same as above. For example, suppose first integer is minus 9 and second is minus 4. So when we subtract minus 4 from minus 9, because here a negative sign before the bracket, so the sign of inside number will be changed. Then minus 9 and it will become plus 4. So the result will be minus 5. Third, if one first integer is positive and second is negative, अगर फर्स्ट इंटीजर पॉजिटिव है और सेकंड इंटीजर नेगेटिव है तो सब्ट्रैक्शन करते समय दोनों इंटीजर ऐड कर दिए जाएंगे और साइन पॉजिटिव आएगा. 7 माइनस 5, क्योंकि ब्रैकेट से बाहर माइनस का साइन है इसलिए अंदर वाले नंबर का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, वो माइनस से प्लस हो जाएगा. नाउ द सम विल बी 12. If first integer is negative and second is positive, then the doing subtraction integer will be added and sign will be negative. For example, first integer is minus 8 and second is 5 or plus 5. So minus 8 minus 5. Since both integers are negative, so they will be added. Minus 8 and minus 5 will be 13 and both signs are negative, so sign will be negative. Now we will study multiplication of integer. अब हम integers के multiplication के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. If both integers are positive, then integers will be multiplied and sign will be positive. For example, 7 and 3. We have the first integer 7 and second is 3. Then 7 multiplied by 3, 7 3s are 21 and sign will be positive. If both integers are negative, then same as above, integers will be multiplied and sign will be positive. For example, the first integer is minus 6 and second is minus 4. Then the multiplication of minus 6 and minus 4 will be 24. If both signs are negative, then they will be cancel each other. अगर दोनों इंटीजर के साइन नेगेटिव हैं तो वो एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर देते हैं और माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाता है. If first integer is positive and second is negative, then integers will be multiplied and sign will be negative. For example, the first integer is 9 and second is minus 5. Then the multiplication of 9 and minus 5, 9 5s are 45. The first is positive and second is negative, so the multiplication will be negative. Similarly, if first integer is negative and second is positive, then the result will be same as above. Suppose the first integer is minus 8 and second is 6, then the multiplication of minus 8 and 6 8 6 are 48, and first is negative and second is positive, the multiplication will also be negative. Now finally, the last operation we will study division of integers. If both integers are positive, then integers will be divided and sign will be positive. For example, the first integer is 12 and second is 3. Then 12 divided by 3, 12 by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. So the result will be 4 and sign will be positive. If both integers are negative, then the operation will be same. Means integers will be divided and sign will be positive. Suppose the first integer is minus 24 and second is minus 4. Then the division will be minus 24 divided by minus 4. So minus 24 will be divided by minus 4. If both sign is negative, then they will cancel each other, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. So the result will be 6 and sign will be positive. If first integer is positive and second is negative, then integers will be divided and sign will be positive. For example, the first integer is 36 and second is minus 4. Then the division will be 34 divided by minus 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 9 ja 36, 9 by minus 1. The result will be minus 9. You know very well, if the denominator is 1, then we remove it and the negative sign will be applied in front of the numerator. So the result is minus 9. If first integer is negative and second is positive, then the operation will be same as above. Integers will be divided and sign will be negative. For example, the first integer is minus 12 and second is 6. Then the division will be minus 12 divided by 6 will be equal to minus 12 by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 12. The result will be minus 2. Okay students, now we have learned how we can get addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. Now we have always remember some main points, and these points are as follows. Add a positive integer, we move to the right. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Suppose this is 4, and if we have to add 3 into 4, then we will get 7. Then 7 is right of the 4. So add a positive integer, we move to the right on the number line. We add a negative integer, we move to the left. Suppose we add a negative integer in a positive integer. Suppose we add minus 9 into 3. Then we move left and we will reach at minus 6. Subtract a positive integer, we move to the left of the given number. Subtract a negative integer, we move to the right. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integers. दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजरों को जोड़ने पर हमें पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ही प्राप्त होता है। एंड व्हेन टू नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स आर एडेड वी गेट अ नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स। व्हेन वन positive and one negative integers are added, we take their difference and place the sign of the bigger integers. For example, the first example is, suppose first integer is minus 128 and second is 82. When we add them, minus 128 and plus 82, then we get their difference, that is 46, and the sign will be of greater number. And second example is that the first integer is positive and that is 135 and the second is minus 101, and when we add them, 135 plus, then we get 34, that is their difference, and the sign will be of greater integers. To find additive inverse of an integers, we have to change only its sign. Example, the additive inverse of 6 is minus 6 and the additive inverse of minus 9 is 9. The sum of an integer and its additive inverse is always 0. एक इंटीजर और उसके एडिटिव इनवर्स, उनका सम हमेशा 0 होता है. Now we will see a very important property for verification of two integers, and that is, suppose we have to verify that a minus b will be equal to a plus b. Suppose a is 21 and b is equal to 18. So we have to prove that a minus b will be equal to a plus b. So a minus b will be equal to a plus b. So we will put the values of integers in the given identity. So a is 21 minus b and b is 18, and 21 plus 18. So here is a minus sign before the bracket, so the sign of inside number will be changed. So minus 18 will become plus 18 and the sum will be 39 on the left side and 39 on right side, and so they are equal. So we can say that left hand side equal to right hand side, and hence a minus b will always be equal to a plus b. So student, इसके बाद आप अपनी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज इंटीजर जो है उसे आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, और इसे करने के बाद आपको अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम्स है तो आप हमारे उसे चैनल पे कमेंट कीजिए, उसकी जो भी सोल्यूशन होंगे वो आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे। और आगे इस एक्सरसाइज को पूरा करने के लिए हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहें और वीडियोस को ध्यान से देखें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच।